Here I have BLACKBERRY Keyone, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. This mode can help you when you have any issues with your device, and once you activate safe mode, it can help you determine if an app is to blame. So at the very beginning, tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, and then keep holding on power off button until you see reboot to safe mode. Once you see it, just tap on OK. And just within a few seconds, you will be in safe mode. And that's it. Now, as you can see, you're in safe mode. The node is located here, safe mode, and most of your apps are disabled. Now you can check if any issues has been caused by your apps. If you would like to go back to normal mode, to standard one, just tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then tap on restart. Your device will turn off, and then it will switch it on in normal standard mode, so you can use your device normally with all apps available. And as you can see, now you can use your device normally. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.